1,500 pounds, 3 to 4,000 pounds, 50 more horses, and it sounds like this. Good morning YouTube, I'm George, and in my previous video I bought the cheapest RS5, and today I'm about to tell you why I bought it so cheap. The car I bought it on Copart, on auctions, yeah? When you buy cars like that, you don't know much about the engines or what problems do they come with. When I brought it back to the garage, I took it to the MOT station, I passed the MOT, I drove it back for a little bit, and then I realized that the coolant water is boiling. So, which means the head gasket is gone. I realized that fixing this problem is quite expensive. I'm looking around somewhere maybe 3 to 4,000 pounds fixing it. So right now I'm about to go to the main dealer, to Audi, and see if they can provide me with the head gaskets and the timing chain, whatever else I need. At this point right now I have two options. It's either to fix this engine or to buy another one which is second hand. I found one with 70,000 miles on it. It's 4.5 grand, but in the same time that could come with problems too. So I guess I just rather fix this one I have now and see what else can I do after. I've been inside the Audi, and there is good news. They can provide me with the head gaskets and the timing chain for 1,500 pounds, which is good. I'm happy, it's not that bad. Right now I'm going back to the garage because in my previous video I only showed you the problems I discovered. So right now I'm gonna show you the specs of the car and what Audi RS5 has to offer to its customers. So I got back to the garage and now I'm gonna present you the features of the car. So first of all, the engine is a 4.2 petrol. It's natural aspirated, which means there is no turbos inside. 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds. Then you got the exhaust. I think it's stock, but it sounds amazing. Then this engine comes with 450 horsepower stock. But I think this one is mapped already, so when you map a car you already give at least 50 more horses. This car has been mapped with pops and bangs as well, which sounds really crazy. I think I'm gonna annoy every neighbor I have. Then we're moving inside, where you got the nice leather seats with the RS5 stitches on. You got the nice steering wheel with the flat bottom. You got the sound system from Bang & Olufsen, which sounds amazing. You got as well an automatic gearbox with 7 speeds. Another thing which I like about this car, you got a button here which puts the car into the sport mode. And when you press this button, the exhaust is even louder. I think this is my favorite feature of the car. So I'm gonna press it. I don't know if you can hear it on the camera, but in real life it's way louder, and it sounds like this. Yeah, you can hear the pops and bangs too. So right now I need to remove the engine. I need to remove the whole engine out of the car. Then I need to take the heads of the engine to a professional guy who can skim them. Skimming is more like straightening the head. Once I'm doing that, I can go back to Audi and order the parts they already told me they can provide me. And after that, all it remains to do is to put everything back together, and then we can enjoy the car. Before I remove the engine, I want to remove the front bumper because the front lip is been destroyed. It's been ripped up or something. So I think I'm just gonna apply some fiberglass on it, then some filler, and then I'm gonna repaint it. Even the grill I have to repaint it. So this is the next thing I'm gonna do. Guys, 3 days later I decided to fix the bumper. Today is 9th of January and I'm officially start fixing the engine. So first I'm gonna remove the bumper. Tomorrow I'm gonna repaint the grill and fix the lip, and then slowly I'm gonna remove the engine and start fixing it. 20 minutes later, I managed to remove the bumper. Now, as you can see, I have to remove the old paint, then repaint it again. Then here, where the lip is broken, I will just apply some fiberglass, make it nice, and then repaint it again. With a piece of sandpaper, I'm prepping the lip so the fiberglass can stick better to it. Then on a piece of paper, I'm mixing fiberglass with hardener. After I mix them up, I'm trying to apply the fiberglass inside the gap. And then with that little plastic, I'm trying to push everything inside until the gap is fully filled up. Then I'm gonna wait for the fiberglass to get dry. This will take at least half an hour. Now I'm trying to bring the fiberglass on the same level with the bumper so there won't be any bumps. Now that the gap was filled up, I can apply fiberglass on top and underneath the gap. While I was applying the fiberglass, some of my mechanic friends, they start removing the headlights, the crash bar and the radiator from the RS5. So now I'm gonna go and show you exactly what they've done. So what's next now? They're gonna remove the exhaust, they're gonna remove the prop shaft, then they're gonna remove the wheels and the dry shaft. Guys, I just go home. I'm so happy that I removed the engine with these boys. Right now I'm about to edit this video and tomorrow I'm gonna upload it on YouTube. I really appreciate those ones who made it to the end of the video and watched the whole thing. If you wanna see my next video, you have to subscribe, because otherwise you're not gonna see it. So once again, I really appreciate the one who already subscribed to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.